watch out for self-talk. And I mean negative self-talk. We all have it going on sometimes, and more often than we're probably even aware of. But the first step in tackling this issue, and it is an issue, because remember, what you tell yourself, your brain records, and that whether that's true or not true, your brain takes it as fact. So if you're continuously having negative self-talk about yourself within your own head, then your brain's going to be recording that, and that is then how you will continue to believe you are. So step one is just to notice it. Okay, just start to notice it. It goes on, most of us are unaware of it most of the time. So start to notice it. Once you've started to notice it and you've practiced that for a little while, you can go, okay, I can really see myself doing this now. Then question it, okay? Is it fact? And your opinion about yourself is not a fact, okay? So is it fact? Probably not. It's probably a thought or opinion you have about yourself that's negative. It's probably not a fact at all. And then look at turning it around, okay? Make an affirmation that you can say to yourself multiple times a day that is the reverse of it. That's very positive. That tackles it. And every time you have that thought, you can say your affirmation. And eventually it will go away and the positive thought will replace it, okay? And those are the 3 steps to take if you're getting lots of negative self-talk.